preschoolers. Today we're going to talk about our feelings, and we're going to do that by playing a game. The name of that game is called Which One Doesn't Belong? Let's get started and I'll tell you how we play. Let's look at these 4 preschoolers. 3 of these preschoolers are happy. 1 of them is not happy. Can you look at each picture and decide how that preschooler feels? We do that by looking at their faces, their eyes, their body. See if you can guess which one of these preschoolers is not happy. Did you guess the right one? This preschooler does not look happy. Her body is showing us she's not happy because her arms are crossed. Also, she has a frown on her face and she's looking down. That tells me she is not happy. If you notice the other 3 pictures, those preschoolers are smiling. Their eyes and their face are bright and show us they feel happy. Now let's look at these 4 preschoolers. 3 of these preschoolers are afraid. They are scared. 1 of these preschoolers is not scared. They are not afraid. Can you look at each one of these preschoolers and decide, which one is not feeling afraid? Did you guess the right one? This preschooler does not look afraid. She does not look scared. The other 3 do look like they're scared or afraid. Now you might look at the picture with the dog and say, why is he afraid? Maybe you're not afraid of dogs. Everyone has different kinds of feelings. Now let's look at these 4 preschoolers. 3 of these preschoolers are angry. They are mad about something. 1 of them is not angry. Can you look at each picture and decide which one of these preschoolers is not angry? Did you guess the right one? This little boy does not look angry. He looks sleepy. That's right. I can tell that he's sleepy because he's yawning and he's rubbing his eyes. The other 3 look angry or mad. I can tell by their face and their body. Now let's look at these 4 preschoolers. 3 of these preschoolers are sad. 1 of them is not feeling sad. Can you look at each picture and decide, how does this preschooler feel? Which one of these preschoolers is not sad? Did you guess the right one? This preschooler does not look sad. She has a big smile on her face and she has paint. Maybe she was watercoloring. She is happy. She is not sad. The other 3 do look sad. And even though we can't see the face on that first picture, that little boy's body tells us that he's sad. He's looking down. The girl next to him has her hand on her forehead. Looks like she might be sick. And that last picture looks like someone fell off their bike. And that made him sad. Now let's look at these 4 preschoolers. 3 of them are being silly. That's something preschoolers are good at, is being silly. 1 of them does not feel silly. Can you look at each one of those pictures and decide, how does this preschooler feel? Did you guess the right one? This preschooler does not look silly. The other three look like they're having fun and being silly. Can you make a silly face now? Now let's look at these 4 preschoolers. 3 of these preschoolers feel sleepy. They are tired. Can you pretend you're tired right now? Can you yawn and stretch? 3 of these preschoolers are sleepy. 1 of them is not sleepy. Can you look at each one of these preschoolers and decide, how does this preschooler feel? Did you guess the right one? This preschooler does not look sleepy. Her eyes are open wide and bright, and she was smiling. The other 3 preschoolers are yawning and rubbing their eyes. They look tired or sleepy. Now let's look at these 4 preschoolers. 3 of these preschoolers are feeling frustrated. Something is just not going their way, and they feel frustrated. 1 of these preschoolers is not frustrated. Can you look at each picture and decide how each preschooler feels? Did you guess the right one? This little girl does not feel frustrated. I can tell because she's smiling. The other 3 preschoolers do look frustrated. Now you might be thinking, if a dog was licking me, that would frustrate me. But not everybody feels the same about the same things. We all have different feelings, and that's okay. We all have different feelings. Adults have lots of feelings, kids have different feelings, and that's okay. Thanks for playing this game with me, preschoolers. Bye.